Hey, what's up guys? RawrKaii here, back out again with another video. And in today's video, it is part one of me helping my dad prepping his car for paint. So now what we're doing right here is taking the convertible brackets out because one of them was broken. So we went to pick and pull and got another one. So what I'm doing now is using a fishing line and a heat gun to take out the edge door protector that is on the car so we can sand it down and have a more smoother look to it. And doing the same to the other side. So there was some dents and imperfections on the car. So what my dad did was put some Bondo on the car to have a more smoother look. And what I'm doing is just sanding it down to make it all blend in together. I am using the crisscross method when sanding down the Bondo. Now I'm just removing the rubber trims around the car. Now I am removing the side mirrors. I'm just continuing to remove the rubber pieces from the car. There was a screw that was holding that rubber trim. Now what I'm doing is just sanding the whole car down. We're almost done with the prep. The next video will be us painting the car. The car is almost ready for primer. This is the setup that we're doing. For the hood. Made this one for the fenders. And then we made this one too. So this is our paint booth. We're about to open it up and inflate it. So we're continuing to prep the car for paint. We just taped up all the wires. So what we're gonna do is paint the inside of the trunk as well. We're gonna do the door jambs, the under the hood. So far so good. We're almost done and we'll be ready for paint. It's almost ready for the primer. Got everything hooked up. Even the bumpers, the fenders, side mirror caps, the antenna. All this is taped up now. She could put plastic over it. And then all this. Everything is covered now. And then we're gonna inflate the paint booth. 30 feet, 35 feet. What's the size on the paint booth? What's the size on the paint booth? 16 and a half by 30. There you go. 30 feet. Almost there. Almost there. Screwed in the fuel cap door. Alright, so we're gonna turn it on now to fill the air in
for the inflatable paint booth. It says that it fills it up in 10 minutes. So it takes 10 minutes to have the whole thing inflated.
Cái chi hết ngoài nhau rồi lọc.
These are all the filters. Filters. So you have air coming in and it blocks all like the dust, bugs coming in from here.
Filter भी नहीं कराया
डाल लो
बढ़िया उतार के YouTube में कर दो
हाँ YouTube कर दो जी
पूरा सब उतारा ऊपर से ओ भाई ऊपर वाला सब उतारा
हाँ सब बता रहा
मोटर के उतारा
हाँ Alright, so that fan fills the paint booth up. This one sends air inside the paint booth, so let's turn it on. So the paint booth is all set up. The car is already prepped for primer. Put the plastic on, sealed it off. see everything's taped off. That one is all the 4 tires inside the car, all the door panels, even this, the windows. Windows all covered up, even the front. And then this is how we're gonna paint all the panels. Let's go back here. This is where you can put all your paint prep here. Select the changing room as well. You change out. And then yeah, that's about it. It's ready for primer, guys.